In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Kali in VirtualBox. Why do we need to install Kali in VirtualBox? Well, Kali is a penetration testing tool that could be used for penetration testing, digital forensics, as well as security auditing. It is preloaded with tools, has educational value, has community support, and is compatible and offers a robust solution for cybersecurity professionals. To install Kali in VirtualBox, the requirements include a PC with a minimum of 4 gig, which is permissible, but 8 gig or more will be better. To install Kali, we need to install VirtualBox as well as VirtualBox extension, and of course, so first we'll be going to the VirtualBox website. You go to Google and search for Oracle VirtualBox. You click on the link and open the VirtualBox website. Depending on your PC specifications, you download VirtualBox, whether you're using a Windows or Mac, so you download a particular version for your PC. As at the time of recording this, the latest version is version 7.0. Then you download VirtualBox extension for your PC specification too. Next, you go to Google and look up Kali Linux. Click on the link to get Kali downloaded. And here, this is where you need to be extra careful because there are several versions of Kali available. So you make sure you're downloading the specific file for your virtual machine, whether you're using VirtualBox or VMware. So in this case, we're using VirtualBox, therefore we'll be downloading the Kali version specific to VirtualBox. Like you can see here, there are several versions. You have the installer image, you have the virtual machine. This offers you different options, whether it's ISO or OVA file. So in this case, we'll be downloading the virtual machine. You click on the link here. For virtual machine, we click on the link here and come down here to download for VirtualBox. As you can see here, click here to start your download. So I've downloaded it already. I've downloaded the files already, so I won't be downloading it again. After your download, we can now start the installation process. To install Kali, first we have to install VirtualBox. So here you can see my VirtualBox file. I'll double click on it to start the installation. Just give it a few minutes and the installation starts. Click on next, proceed to install now, yes, then click install for the installation to begin. It doesn't take much time for the installation to commence. The bigger your RAM size, the easier it is for you to do all this. So now we have VirtualBox installed. You go to your search button and click on the icon. So once that is installed, you go to your start menu and you can search for VirtualBox and open it. So once you've installed VirtualBox, this is what your UI is going to look like. Go back to your downloads folder, look for your VirtualBox extension pack. You can just double click it. Your VirtualBox extension pack will get installed in VirtualBox, and the idea is to make you have a better UI experience while using VirtualBox for spawning your virtual machines. Once you've installed VirtualBox and the extension pack, it's time to install Kali. So because of the version of the Kali virtual machine we've downloaded, all you have to do is come to your download folder. This is the folder where my Kali was downloaded. So you could just right click on this and extract the file. I'm going to extract here. Once you finish extracting your file, it's time to install Kali in VirtualBox. So you open the folder where your files got extracted to. You'll be presented with two files, as you can see here, the virtual disk image and the virtual machine definition. So just double click on the virtual machine definition and it will start installing in your VirtualBox. As you can see, Kali is installed in VirtualBox. So before you turn it on, first you come to the setting here. You come to setting. Under general, I think you can leave most of the settings here. Then click on system. You want to adjust the motherboard base memory depending on the size of your PC RAM. In my case, I have 8 gig, so 2 gig RAM for Kali is okay for me. Come to the processor. This is okay. Acceleration, this is okay. Then display. You want to make your video memory, you want to max out your video memory like 128 megabytes here. Then your storage is okay. Network, you can decide to set your network here to NAT network, but I'll leave it for now. So with that, you click OK and start your Kali machine. So depending on the version of your Kali machine, once it's installed, like in my case, You can type in the username Kali and the password Kali. Click on login, and there you have your Kali successfully installed in VirtualBox. If it opens up like this on your screen, you can zoom out the size of the machine by coming to view, click on full screen mode, and you have the full screen size. So there you have it, your new Kali machine in VirtualBox. Thank you.